Hey there! Welcome back to our DIY corner. Today, we're diving into the world of interior design and showing you how to hang prepared wallpaper like a pro. It's easier than you think, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to transform any room in your home. So, let's get started. First things first. Let's go over the tools and materials you'll need for this project. Tools and materials needed. Prepared wallpaper. Choose a design that speaks to your style and fits the dimensions of your wall. Measuring tape. Essential for accurate measurements to ensure a perfect fit. Utility knife or scissors for cutting the wallpaper to size. Sponge or water sprayer to activate the adhesive on the wallpaper. Smoothing brush or plastic smoother helps eliminate air bubbles and ensures a smooth application. Level ensures your wallpaper hangs straight. Bucket of water and clean cloth for cleaning up any messes. Now that we have everything we need, let's dive into the steps for hanging prepared wallpaper. Steps for hanging prepared wallpaper. 1. Preparing the wall. Before you begin, make sure your wall is clean, smooth, and free of any debris. Patch up any holes or imperfections and allow the surface to dry completely. 2. Activating the adhesive. Dip your sponge or use a water sprayer to dampen the back of the wallpaper. Be careful not to oversaturate it. This activates the adhesive and prepares it for hanging. 3. Hanging the first strip. Starting from a corner, carefully align the edge of the wallpaper with the corner of the wall. Use your hands to smooth out any air bubbles as you work your way down the strip. A smoothing brush or plastic smoother can help achieve a seamless finish. 4. Matching patterns and trimming excess paper. If your wallpaper has a pattern, make sure each strip lines up perfectly with the previous one. Overlap the edges slightly and use a sharp utility knife or scissors to trim any excess paper at the top and bottom. 5. Continuing with additional strips. Repeat the process with each additional strip, making sure to match patterns and trim excess paper as you go. Use a level to ensure each strip hangs straight for a professional looking finish. And there you have it, folks. With a little bit of patience and the right tools, you can easily hang prepared wallpaper to give any room a fresh new look. Just remember to take your time, double check your measurements, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. Thanks for tuning in, and happy decorating.